Well, hello all. I have a very big interest in stars. If you're still camping, stars are like your friends out there in the night. You've got something to look at. So I thought I would take like a star chart like this, which I copied from a planetarium thing called Stellarium, a program. Prints the night sky as you see it at a certain time, at a certain place. And then I thought I'd burn the star patterns onto a charred piece of wood. So here's Orion's belt, Rigel, Betelgeuse, Sirius, etc. And then on the reverse side, I've got the Southern Cross and all the stars in the Southern Hemisphere. So I thought it'd be just interesting to do that. And so the first thing we need to do is cut a slither from a log that we can then charcoal the slither and drill holes where the stars must be. So I have this piece of poplar log. I want to cut it into thin slivers, carbonize it or char it, and then burn star patterns onto it. So I'm going to stand this upright like this. I'm going to put a piece of wood here, take a marker pen, and I'm going to slowly rotate this piece of wood so that we get the right thickness every time, all the way around the piece of wood. So there we go. There, it's been marked all the way around. Now we're going to cut it all the way around. I'm going to use this angle grinder saw and cut it as deep as I can. And when that will only go a certain depth, and then I'm going to finish it off with a handsaw. So the inside I will cut off with this handsaw. So let's do that. So we've got the star chart here, and there you see Orion, Rigel, Betelgeuse, Sirius, Procyon, etc. down here. And we have burnt the log and then drilled holes where the stars go. So there's Rigel, Betelgeuse, Sirius, Procyon, etc. Right, so what Debbie's done is stuck a star chart onto the burnt section of log, and wherever there's a star or a hole where we've drilled a previous star, she's drilling the star pattern. So now what we've done, we've got a fresh printout, and we've got drill bits that fit the exact sizes of each brightness. Okay. We're making one each for you. Great, and then header is the same as this one here, the lower one on the Southern Cross. A Alpha Crux.
One, yeah.
I think so. Great. So Alpha
So
Crux.
there's just two that size, and maybe even that one as well.
those two don't. What do you think? Maybe that one as well? Yeah, let's do that one as well.
Yeah, they look about.
Okay. So that is called Mimosa. Mimosa.
Like the cocktail.
Right, now we need the next smaller drill bit. I think we need something in between. I'm sure we've got.